Hi, Ashley.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Where's the juices to you?
You're sticking it?
No.
With boobs.
Monica! Dribble juice. That Facebook. Hi. Loser. Hey, that's Geneva Geo. You asking me Hondas?
Look, for me. I said, look, me.
Thank you.
Head, fingers, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. Well, I saw fingers.
Show us your ankles, baby.
Like you're 1754 or something.
Hey! I love me.
That shit's wrong.
They're not too soft, really. Oh, wait, now?
What panties? What color? Are they purple?
No, actually they're red. They match the shirt. You do realize this is going on YouTube, right? Oh, that's okay. They're red with flowers. And then the bra is also red.
With flowers?
No, stripes.
That doesn't match.
They're not like stripes, they're like...
Oh, the vertical stripe thingy?
Yes.
Of the same
it's
color?
Off color, this kind of stripe. Would you like to see?
I think you need to send this link when I post it on YouTube to Corey, so he knows that you don't always wear purple panties.
Right. Then he just might get ladywood.
That's just...
That's creepy.
We're not even gonna go there.
Coming from the creeper and the one with the mustache. Hey, I was born creeping with this beautiful head of hair.
Born creeping?
Yeah.
Hey Liz, now we can start filming your guys' music videos.
I'm on a boat. I'm totally on a boat.
Did you see her McLovin, or her McDouble lover?
That's amazing.
It's an inside joke. If anybody knows that, it's just... It was amazing hot. It was like perfect.
Talking really close to that camera speaker, so like when people hear us talking, it's gonna be normal. But when they hear you talking, they're like, "Oh, my ears!"
Actually, no. I'm gonna sound normal, and you guys are gonna sound like all faded.
Faded? I sound faded.
You know, I'm gonna put down this camera, and it's gonna watch me beat the shit out of you.
I'd like to see you try.
Is that a challenge, Ashley?
Okay. Now, if you can get me a headlock, then you can win. But if not,
because Geneva has no balance.
I'm afraid of
Asphyxiation. She has to go all fancy and pull out the technical terms.
The people. I'm sorry, people.
Hey, look, this is your guys' first YouTube video together.
In my dirty room thing. And now everybody's gonna know that I'm a freaking slob. You are. Don't worry, kid. Whatever. It's to her. You see her room. I've never seen it before, so I know.
You mean Ashley's new room?
Yeah. Yes, Ashley's new room.
That's probably organized.
That's not. What? You're horrible for lying there. You're horrible. I have to go more horrible.
As I said, one more game, then he wants to go to McDonald's.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm liking Jared a whole lot more.
You're liking him more than,
Geneva.
yeah.
Before. You know what? I think I prefer Harley. Yeah. That was classier.
You need a Harley to match that harlot.
The person watching this is probably never going to be anyone except for us. We're going to laugh at each other and be like, oh my god, I can't believe you said that. What was your first kiss? Did it really count? Seriously? I want to know! And most people actually don't count their first kiss or their first significant other, which is never really that significant. You always count the one that you're like, oh my god, about the most. You know what? I'm gonna scissors. It's a fire
The cleaning up of the shit.
I'm laughing on my asshole. You're horrible.
Can you say that you guys aren't smoking pot?
Incorrigible.
Yes, I can honestly say I have not been smoking pot.
You're not high? I think Geneva might be a little high.
I think so too. The road.
Why is that for the road? You guys done? Is there any final thought to this, your guys' first YouTube?
That's dramatic.
Anything, Ashley?
I don't like her.
Nothing important? Because we all know you don't like her.
Nope.
Geneva, final word?
Final word? Food.